Welcome back, guys. So this is Henry1502 and I'm gonna start off by saying please click on every ad you see either in my videos or next to them, left, on top, below. There should be 2 or 3 in each video that I own all copyrights to, and this one I don't. This one I do, but the next one, which I'm about to talk to you about, I won't. So I wanted to make this one to try to get some money, of course, but to tell you guys how to make money really quickly on YouTube. I actually found this method out yesterday when I was making a Java, I think my 8th Java tutorial. Well, basically when you go to monetize, there should be something that pops up. There should be 3 to 4 different categories where you have to click. Like at the beginning, the middle, mid-roll or something like that, and end roll. And right below all of those features should be this video has a product in it. So basically what I click is I set the video the ad to start before my video starts. So if you ever go on YouTube and you see a monetized video, you can tell when something's monetized when right before the video starts you have to watch some type of ad. Most of them are 5 seconds, some of them are like a minute, and a few of them are like 5 minutes. It's crazy. But anyways, I click that. So that's like a quick, before if you want to see this video, you have to see this ad. So that's really helpful. So moving on, I click mid-roll. Now this perhaps could be one of the most, well, this is very important, because if you have like especially an interesting video and it takes a while to set up and you're setting it up and people actually stick around to the middle, bam, they'll see an ad there. And I can pretty much say no one's gonna click that ad, but there's a possibility. And I clicked, so basically for the mid-roll, I set it in between 8 minutes. Now for the mid-roll ads, the rule is you have to have them at least, I think, 7 minutes or 7 minutes and 30 seconds in between each other. So I usually set mine at a comfortable 8. So so that usually pops up. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. There's a link going to be added somewhere in the screen to take you to the video where it shows me doing this. The reason for this video right now that I'm doing is really to tell you about it, and hopefully you will be generous enough to click the ads and then click the link to move on to the next video. In the process of you doing that, maybe you will just drop me a like or a comment. That would be helpful. Subscribe to my channel, add me as a friend. That would really be helpful. But let's continue. I also add an advertisement at the end, because let me tell you guys something. If there's an ad starting at the beginning of the video, the user can't even do anything. Like, he's almost locked. He is forced to watch that ad. So in some occasions people will just be clicking and they might randomly click on accident, but it doesn't matter if it's on accident, you still get paid the ad. So if you have 3 ads, that increases your chances of getting paid, and when you get paid, you are happy. That's what I'm getting at. Happy people get paid. Yeah. So basically the end is before the video ends. I mean, right, like let's say you have a 5-minute video, like at 4:59 the ad's just gonna start, and before they can see like the other videos, this ad will play. And so let's recap. Ad at the beginning, ad in the middle, ad at the end. This will increase your chances by a lot. I did this, I started doing this like a couple hours ago, honestly. And my money on AdSense, Google AdSense, has already jumped. Like, this is crazy. In a couple minutes, actually, it's really crazy. But yeah, tell me what you think. Like, add, subscribe, click on the link, because me explaining it to you is one thing and me showing you is another. And if you guys don't know what this is the website that I am designing for my HTML CSS tutorial. This is basically like a mini web developer portfolio. So if you want to get to know more about this, make sure to keep looking at my channel every once in a while, because it's not done right now, but maybe in the near future it should be done. That's pretty much it. Add, like, subscribe. This is Henry1502. I am out. Yeah. Alright guys, so I am back. This is the same video, and the only reason I'm still talking is because I didn't quite reach 7 minutes. I think I reached like 6:20. So I'm going back and I'm just gonna keep talking and let you guys know what to expect. And I don't know, I'm gonna need to like find some way to blow off a minute. Blow. Okay, anyways, so here is my code for my website. And basically what the website is I'm going to be giving you guys the basic example and codes of how to write like a basic web developer's portfolio. This is, I honestly thought this was pretty good until I saw a lot of other people's where theirs were really creative. They had like TV screens, and like you were looking into their website. Theirs was crazy. It like blows this one out of the water. I thought websites had to be like this, standard, professional, but it was really creative at the same time looking professional. So after I get done with this, because I don't want to quit when I'm like halfway through my splash page. I call my home page my splash page. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. And what I also want to stress is a lot of people are using WordPress now because it's like a website and a blog. And basically what you need in that is PHP, MySQL, HTML, and CSS, of course. And you can do a lot on WordPress, and like it's becoming very popular. So if you can learn how to do program in WordPress, you could probably pick up a couple thousand viewers. I am actually trying to, and it is kicking my ass. I don't know where to start. Well, I do know where to start. It's just you have to download the file first, but I don't. After that, I'm kind of lost. I haven't downloaded the file at all. So it's, you guys, some of you guys will be like, well, of course you don't know where to start. You haven't downloaded it. But yeah, and this should be a minute. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys should see my mid ad. There should be an advertisement popping up at 8 minutes and one popping up at the end. And one disclaimer real quick, it doesn't work for all my videos. I have no idea how to explain it, but if it doesn't work for this video, I'm just going to give you a link to the other video. So yeah, Henry1502 Inc. I am out.